Welcome to our mini project. Our mini project is automatic light control using LDR. I am M. Tilikumar and my team member is S. Ramanathan. In this, there are 6 types of content: circuit diagram, equip list, and the working process, application, advantage, and disadvantage. In this automatic light control LDR, we are using the resistor 100K resistor and LDR, and then transistor BC547 and an LED D1. Diode 1 diode and resistor 470 ohm, and the output is DC 9 volt. In the equipment, we are using a light dependent resistor and an NPN resistor and 2 resistor, 9 volt DC battery, and then breadboard, and using connecting OS for connection. LDR is a semiconductor device. It is used as an high resistance and when not fall on the LDR and acts as a low resistor. LED is also a semiconductor device. It has 2 junctions, P junction and another is N junction. P type is connected with a positive diode, positive side of the battery, and the N type is connected with the negative side of the battery. NPN transistor has 3 junctions. There are two N type semiconductor and then 1 P type semiconductor. There's 3 terminals: base, collector, and emitter. We are using as a 3 main ports as a breadboard, battery, and the wire for connecting all.
LDR has 2 sides. One side connect with transistor base terminal and another side connect with the transistor emitter terminal. R2 100K resistor connected one side connect base terminal and the another side connect with R1 470 ohm resistor. R1 resistor has 2 sides. One side connect with R2 and battery positive side and another side connect with the positive side of LED. D1 LED diode, one side connect with R2 resistor and another side connect with the transistor collector terminal. Transistor base terminal connect with the LDR and R2 resistor. Collector connect with the LED negative side and emitter terminal connect with the LDR and battery negative side. Battery positive side connect with the R1 resistor and negative side connect with the transistor emitter terminal. Circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, we can see 2 resistors which are connected in parallel with the diode D1 LED and which is connected with the transistor BC547 and it is connected to the LDR and on the transistors common emitter is connected to the LDR's negative and which is connected to the DC volt on the negative side. On the opposite side, we can see the R1 R1 470 ohm resistor is connected to the DC volt of the circuit. And then next, this is our project. This is our project model. We have done applications of our project: road light control, lamp post, home security light control, CC camera, night mode, mobile phone tower signal light. Advantages: when electricity is gone, light is on, and when electricity is come, light is off at home. This circuit saves time. It saves power. It helps to smart life. Low maintenance, automatic control. Disadvantages: sometimes it's proper problem in cloud weather. Continuously clear dust on the LDR after few days.
These are the advantages we have.
Thank you.
Thank you.